So we're in Stockton, California right now, and we are today building a whole camp based on Welcome Home, and we got to build a lot of stuff. Right now, this is what our show area looks like. It's just wood. And somehow today, this is going to turn into a kitchen, a performance space, a shade structure, a shower, and nothing's done. How's it going?
Less than 24 hours to build all this.
You're gonna...
That's good, the weather's good, so don't mind.
We're in Cali, we could be somewhere worse.
Could be worse.
Are you feeling the tension?
Past that.
Past the tension.
We're very calm about not being ready. So what we did?
I didn't hear that. How's it going?
Hi. Very good. We do some packing lights.
Do you think we're going to get the camp ready in time?
Sure. Yeah.
Definitely. This is it right now. This is our camp.
This is the camp.
This is the camp. There's the camp.
I'm already in the camp.
All right. I'm not sure how much. Well, we'll do it. We'll do it.